Who are the artists shaping the future of American art in 2025? In this video, we are ranking the young ultra-contemporary American artists. You see artists like Toyin Ojih Odutola, Yanko, and some other names you might not expect. Watch to the end to see who is at the top and where your favorite ranks. Cheng. Cheng is a digital artist based in San Francisco. He was born in 1984 in New Jersey. He is best known for making live, computer-generated simulations that run non-stop on screens. These simulations look like video games, but no one plays them. They are designed to work on their own. Cheng creates digital worlds filled with virtual characters, animals, and landscapes. These characters are programmed to move and interact by themselves. Once the system starts, the environment keeps changing on its own. It reacts to real time with no fixed ending. Every time you watch it, it's a little bit different. One of Cheng's most well-known works is a trilogy called Emissaries, made between 2015 to 2017. It was shown at MoMA PS1 in New York, 2017. This project explores big ideas like evolution, change, and human awareness. In the simulation, digital characters face events that test their ability to adapt and grow. Cheng's approach combines art with gaming technology and computer science. He builds these complex systems to study how things develop over time, especially when no one is in control. In 2020, Cheng was awarded the Guggenheim Fellowship. His work has been shown at major museums and exhibitions around the world. Many people in the art world see his simulations as part of a new way of thinking about storytelling and technology. Toyin Ojih Odutola. Toyin Ojih Odutola is a Nigerian-born artist who lives and works in New York. She was born in 1985 and is widely known for her detailed drawings and paintings, usually charcoal, pastel, and pencil. Her work often focuses on portraiture, but she also builds entire fictional worlds through her art. Odutola's drawings explore themes like identity, class, and culture. Many of her works tell stories through a series of images. For example, she created a project called the countervailing theory, which imagined an ancient African society ruled by women. Another series, the Umuezi Amara clan, presents members of a fictional aristocratic Nigerian family. She uses rich textures and dark tones to draw the skin of her figures, building up each surface carefully with layers. Her portraits often look almost sculpted, showing people in thoughtful poses surrounded by patterns and symbols. Odutola has exhibited her work in major museums around the world. In 2017, she had a solo show at the Whitney Museum of American Art in New York. Her work has also been displayed at the Barbican in London, the Museum of African Diaspora in San Francisco, and the Herschel Museum in Washington, D.C. Her drawings are included in permanent collections at institutions like MoMA, the Whitney, and the Art Institute of Chicago. Toyin Ojih Odutola continues to be recognized for how she expands the possibilities of drawing and storytelling through visual art. Sondra Perry is a multimedia artist based in Brooklyn, New York. She was born in 1986 and works mainly with video, performance, and digital tools. Her art explores how Black identity is shaped by technology, media, and history. Perry often uses digital avatars, green screen effects, and computer-generated imagery in her work. In many of her videos, she appears as a digital version of herself, moving through virtual spaces. These environments might look like dreamlike landscapes, video games, or online simulations. One of her most known works is Graft and Ash for a 3-monitor workstation 2016. In it, she uses a digital avatar to speak about race, history, and visibility. The piece blends personal storytelling with digital art techniques. Perry is also known for questioning traditional systems of access in the art world. She often makes her work available for free online and sometimes shows her videos on open platforms rather than inside galleries. This approach reflects her interest in breaking down barriers between the public and contemporary art. Her work has been shown in major museums and exhibitions. She took part in the Whitney Biennial and had exhibitions at MoMA PS1 in New York, the Serpentine Galleries in London, and the Seattle Art Museum. Through digital art, Sondra Perry continues to explore how race, power, and technology are connected in today's world. Jacolby Satterwhite. Jacolby Satterwhite is a digital artist and performer born in 1986 in South Carolina. He now lives and works in New York. His art blends 3D animation, video, performance, and sound. He often creates virtual worlds filled with animated characters, glowing colors, and fast-moving scenes. Satterwhite's work is based on his personal history and family life. He often includes drawings made by his own late mother, who lived with mental illness, and recorded voice notes or poems. He combines these personal elements with computer-generated images to build complex digital spaces. One of his well-known projects is Refining Desire, a video series where he places his own dancing body into surreal virtual environments. He also created We Are in Hell When We Hurt Each Other, a large video installation exploring themes of community, memory, and healing. Satterwhite has collaborated with musicians as well. He directed animated videos for artists like Solange and Perfume Genius, blending music with digital art. He often builds full digital universes that move into sound, creating immersive experiences. His work has been shown in major institutions. He was part of the 2014 Whitney Biennial and has had solo exhibitions at the New Museum in New York, the Fabric Workshop in Philadelphia, and MoMA. Jacolby Satterwhite's work combines technology, family, and the body in virtual spaces that reflect modern life in a digital world. Charisse Pearlina Weston. Charisse Pearlina Weston is an interdisciplinary artist and writer born in 1988 in Houston, Texas. She is currently based in Brooklyn, New York. Her work combines sculpture, photography, text, and installation to explore ideas about Black life, memory, privacy, and resistance. A key material in her practice is glass. She often uses glass sheets, fragments, or mirrored surfaces that are folded, cracked, or layered. These glass elements are sometimes etched with words, photographs, or marks. They reflect and distort what's behind them, creating a sense of tension between what is seen and what is hidden. Weston sees glass as a symbol of fragility and strength. By bending or breaking it, she explores how people carry memories, protect themselves, and resist being fully exposed. Her use of language and poetry adds a quiet but powerful presence to her installations. She also creates sculptural works that include concrete, metal, and black fabric, often arranged in forms that suggest folding, withholding, or collapsing. These gestures mirror themes of silence, withholding, and coded communication with Black communities. Charisse Pearlina Weston was a 2023 artist in residence at the Studio Museum in Harlem. That same year, she had solo exhibitions at the Queens Museum in New York and the Moody Center for the Arts at Rice University in Houston. She is represented by Jack Sheman Gallery, and her work is included in the permanent collection of the Whitney Museum of American Art. Yanko. Yanko is a sculptor and installation artist born in 1988 in St. Louis, Missouri. She now lives and works in Brooklyn, New York. Her work is known for combining heavy metal with soft, flowing materials to create large, abstract sculptures. Yanko often collects discarded metal from scrapyards, including car parts, industrial sheets, and twisted steel. She reshapes these found materials by by bending, crushing, and painting them. Then she adds paint, skins, flexible layers of dried paints that look like fabric but move like rubber. These contrasting elements, hard and soft, heavy and light, are at the center of her practice. Her sculptures are often placed directly on the floor or hung from walls, allowing the materials to interact with gravity and space. She does not work from drawings or fixed plans. Instead, she builds each piece through physical interaction with the materials, letting the form emerge naturally. Her process is physical and intuitive, shaped by background in both painting and performance. Yanko's work has been shown in museums and galleries across the United States and Europe. In 2021, she was the first artist in residence at the Rubel Museum in Miami. Her sculptures have also been featured at Basel, Miami Beach, the Venice Biennale, and the Jeffrey Deed Gallery in Los Angeles. Kennedy Yanko continues to explore the relationship between color, texture, and form, using industrial materials to create dynamic and expressive works of contemporary sculpture. These are the top young ultra-contemporary American artists in 2025, artists pushing boundaries, shifting narratives, and shaping what the future of art looks like. If you discovered a new name or saw one of your favorites on the list, let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dive like this, from the art market to major exhibitions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. My name is Ocheja. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.